guys, so today we're gonna open Nickelodeon slime. So this is 6 plus, and just get started. So let's open this. Okay. So this is just like everything that we put in. So let's do this. Then we have the instructions if you need to use it. Then you have this, which you're just gonna put on this, and that's just for the mixture. We'll get to that after. And we have some colors and glitter and activator, all the stuff that you need in here. And we just have some stickers. So for the slime making, we have white slime glue. We have 2 of them actually, and we have some slime activator. We have 2 of them. Then we have some clear slime glue, which is 1 big bottle, and we have some glitter that's just in this tube or tub, and we have some sticks to mix, and we have like a measuring cup. We have some scented colors. And these are some glitter, and we have these clear balls, and we have some cups to put your slime in after. We have a mixer, which is when your slime's actually a little slimy. This is how you mix and get it all done. We have a spoon, and we have stickers. Let's get the fun part started, guys. So I filled in 25 ml of water, and now 15 ml of clear slime glue. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I've just filled in 15 ml, and I'm going to put the bottle back. Guys, we're making galaxy slime, and I'll take the mixer right now, and I'll open the mixer, and I'm going to put all this 15 ml, glue it in, all of it. So we are done with putting that glue in, and now I'm going to put the water in. Spoon of blue glitter in this mixer. Now we're gonna put a spoon of silver, and we're gonna pour it in. So now we have half spoon of purple glitter. Let's put this in. So guys, now we're gonna we have the mixer, and now we're gonna mix this up. So now we're gonna add 5 ml of activator, and I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, now I've filled in 5 ml of activator. We are going to this activator, and don't open this top. There's this like little hole, or this like kind of thing that you can like pour it in. So okay, now we start mixing. And this will make it turn into slime. This is really turning into galaxy slime. Okay, I am now officially done with the slime. Okay, now we will take this cup, and we will pour all that slime into here. So you can actually use this stick to get all that extra slime out. So get all that slime out, and you can just like put it in there. This will get it to the edge, and all that slime that you made will just go into here. Wow, this is very, very stretchy. And it's very, very cool. I cannot believe I made like a slime like this. So guys, you can use any of these scented colors, or you could use glitter. Just be creative. Have fun, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye!